Morning, students. How are you? Fine. Okay, it's all right. See, today I am here to describe management. Actually, I am going to teach you today paper 2, management concept and organizational behavior. There is unit 1, what is management? Adjective. You must have heard the word management because this is very common word nowadays in day-to-day life. Everybody say management. But as it is very easy to pronounce and it is very easy to talk, but it's very hard to describe it because there is no perfect meaning of the management. There is no prescribed meaning of the management because there are different management authors and different management scholars who has described it in a different way as per their wish. Some of scholars says that management is an art. In the same time, other scholars, another researcher, another management writer says that management is a science. So today we'll go through all these definitions, and I'm 100% sure that after completion of this class, you'll be able to understand what exactly is management. Some of people say management is art, management is science, but some people may say management is a discipline. Some people may say manager is a group of managers, and some people may say management as a profession. Some people say management is discipline also. So here, one by one, I will explain it, all these points. See, first of all, Mary Parker Follett said that management is an art to get the work done by others. But that's not 100% correct. See, manager does not do only this. Besides this, also management does a lot of work. Like he organize the things, he plan for the future, he direct the people whom he have recruited, whom he has selected, he gives training, he motivates them continuously. He does a staffing also by recruiting the people and selecting the right people who can attain his goals. So he has to coordinate also. He has to take a proper decision. So he takes the decision. He has involved himself in decision making also. He has to coordinate because without coordination, everything will be collapsed, and he has to control the entire things because without controlling, nothing is going to be happen. So if you listen properly, management is an art to get work done by others. It expects two things, like management has treated a person, management has treated a human being here as a means of machine. He's not taking as a human being. Second thing, at this era when especially people are educated and people believe to be independent and people believe in socialism, cannot be treated like this. So there is a smack coming out from this definition only, that management is an art to get work done by others. So Harold Kuntz has defined it very properly that management is an art to get work done by others with the people in minimum resources to attain the organizational goal to achieve objective. Similarly, G.R. Terry has defined here management is a process. Management as a process. Management is a continuous process because if you go through the entire management has to do planning, then organizing, then staffing, and then controlling. So once after completion of this process, from planning to controlling, management does not stop here. Management start doing planning for the next future as per their past experiences which he has received while implementing the earlier plan. and as per their projection, future projection, what idea he is having in his mind, as per their plan, as per their idea and past experiences, he start doing planning again. And in the meanwhile, while he is planning for the next future plan, he has to organize for the previous plan, and he has to do staffing also, and he has to control the entire things. So we can say management is a continuous process. That is why G.R. Terry has defined it. Management is a continuous process. Similarly, some of the persons say management is a science. Yes, it's right. Management is a science, but it's not a strong science. But management principles can be verified, and this is cause and effect relationship as well as universally applicable. So as we are adding 2 plus 2, it comes out result 4 in Palamu also, in Delhi also, in out of India also. So this is the science, the strong science. If you are putting yellow color in red color, it becomes orange. In here also, in out of India also, in the rural area also. So this is the science. This is pure science. And it's admirable, it's identifiable, it's desirable, and we can understand the cause and effect relationship. Suppose a person is coming late office every day. If he is facing some problem to come on the right time, management has to talk with him, discuss with him what exactly problem he is facing. If really he is facing some problem to come on the right time, management has to solve his problem. Management has to come out with the answer of his problem. Or if he is notorious, if he is coming late by his nature, if he is not serious, if he is not taking responsibility on his shoulder, then management has to punish him. In both the situation, management knows that what he is going to do and what will be the effect of that. If he punish the management, if management punish those kind of the employee, those type of the employee, he starts coming at the right time. So there is a cause effect relationship. There will be cause if he is demotivated, if he is not satisfied with the organizational policy, if he is having some problem in his family, obviously he will come late. So management has to sit with him and decide with him. That is the proper science. Earlier time, management people were learning with the skill, with going through the training with the top managers and by practicing that. But now things have been changed. All these differences, rules and regulations and principles have been documentized. And going through all that documentation, going through all the principles, going through all the papers, notebooks, books, anyone can learn the management and he can apply all the theory while working. So we can say management is science. But here one more thing I would like to quote, management is not hardcore science, like anatomy, like biology, like math, like physics. This is soft science because management deals with the people, and the people react differently in a different situation. So management student has to go through the anatomy, sociology, psychology, as well as human science. So management is a science. Management is a continuous process. Management is an art. Similarly, some of the people say that management is a discipline. Yes, we can say management is a discipline. Because as we go in 12th class, after completion of 10th, you cannot go directly to the 5th class without passing 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a discipline. So similarly, if somebody is saying the particular person is studying management, means there is a compact knowledge of particular subject, that is discipline. Suppose we go to play football, there also we make some rules and regulations. We have to play the ball with foot, not by the hand. If our hand touches the ball, that will be foul. There will be hand, and we keep some lining over there in a football ground. If our ball passes to that line, there will be the out. So as we describe rules and regulations for playing a small game, similarly here also we make some of the discipline before studying the management and before practicing the management. So we can say management is a discipline. Some people say management is a profession. Yes, of course, management is a profession. Now society has started recognizing management as a profession. Somebody says that particular person is working in a particular organization, it means everybody understand that he is the manager. For becoming a doctor, people study medical. For becoming an engineer, the students study engineering. For practicing the law, we have to go through the degree of law. Similarly, we have to get the knowledge and idea and certificate from the BBA or MBA to become a manager. So we can say management is a profession. Now people have started recognizing it very clearly. So I mean to say here that management is a profession, but somebody says management is not 100% profession. Management is profession. Let's cut it.